Be ready. 10 seconds to go. Start. Medical science and technology play a crucial role in strengthening public health systems and improving healthcare delivery. Continuous scientific research and technological innovation have transformed diagnosis, treatment, and disease prevention methods. Modern healthcare increasingly relies on advanced medical equipment and digital solutions for efficient patient management. These developments contribute significantly to increased life expectancy and enhanced quality of human life worldwide. Technological progress has enabled early detection of diseases through sophisticated diagnostic tools and imaging techniques. Devices such as magnetic resonance imaging and computerized tomography scanners provide accurate and timely medical information. Early diagnosis allows healthcare professionals to initiate treatment at appropriate stages, reducing complications and mortality rates. As a result, patient outcomes have improved across various medical disciplines and clinical settings. The integration of information technology into healthcare has led to the growth of digital health systems. Electronic health records facilitate systematic storage, retrieval, and analysis of patient data across institutions. These systems enhance coordination among medical professionals and reduce errors caused by manual record keeping. Additionally, digital platforms support evidence based decision making and long term healthcare planning. Telemedicine has emerged as a significant innovation in medical science, particularly in remote and underserved regions. Through telecommunication technologies, patients can consult specialists without the need for physical travel. Telemedicine improves access to healthcare services while reducing costs and pressure on urban medical facilities. It also plays an important role during public health emergencies and natural disasters. Advancements in medical technology have significantly improved surgical procedures and treatment methods. Robotic assisted surgery enables greater precision, minimal invasiveness, and faster recovery for patients. Minimally invasive techniques reduce hospital stays and lower the risk of post operative complications. Such innovations enhance efficiency and safety within modern surgical practices. Pharmaceutical research has benefited greatly from scientific and technological progress in recent decades. Biotechnology and molecular science support the development of targeted drugs and personalized treatment approaches. Vaccines developed through extensive research have successfully controlled and eradicated several infectious diseases. Ongoing innovation remains essential to address emerging health challenges and resistance pathogens. Medical science also contributes to preventive health care through improved screening and public health initiatives. Wearable health devices monitor vital parameters and encourage individuals to adopt healthier lifestyles. Preventive technology reduces long term healthcare costs and lessens the burden on medical infrastructure. Public awareness programs supported by scientific data further strengthen disease prevention efforts. Artificial intelligence is increasingly applied in medical research and clinical decision making processes. AI systems analyze large volumes of medical data to identify patterns and predict disease progression. These technologies assist doctors in diagnosis, treatment, planning, and risk assessment. However, ethical considerations and data security remain critical aspects of AI implementation. Despite numerous benefits, medical science and technology present certain administrative and ethical challenges. Issues related to data privacy, accessibility, and affordability require comprehensive regulatory frameworks. Equitable distribution of medical technology remains a priority for ensuring inclusive healthcare development. Governments must balance innovation with public interest and patient safety. In conclusion, medical science and technology serve as essential pillars of modern healthcare systems. Their effective utilization enhances treatment quality, disease prevention, and healthcare accessibility. Continuous research, ethical governance, and technological integration are vital for sustainable health development. Thus, medical science and technology will continue to support national health objectives and public welfare. Stop